Well, you can't have a snog with a snowman, 'cause his heart is made of snow. And it's just no joke from a frozen bloke, and he'll say no to an Eskimo if you go where the wild blizzards blow, man. Well, he just won't want to play, for the simple reason that if he stops freezing, then he just might melt away. Well, you can't have a snog with a snowman, it's a plain and simple rule. 'Cause if you cuddle, he'll turn to a puddle, and so he just can't lose his cool. Oh, he might be a sweet whisper low man at -10 degrees, though he might be willing, well, he's much too chillin', and you'll need some antifreeze. If you sit on his knee, could be you'll get him miffed. You'll get your assets frozen, just supposing you get my drift. So the next time that you make a snowman,
make a nice snow lady too.
Oh ho ho, so nice from snow and ice, for the snowman to love true. And Santa Claus, the ho 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 man, will take them on his sleigh to hug and squeeze where the penguins freeze at the North Pole far away. At the North Pole